This is code.org CS Discoveries. I'm working on lesson 11, styling elements with CSS. And this lesson is part of their second unit, which is their web development unit. I'm on part 5, layout with CSS. The body element. Find the body rule set in the style sheet. Discuss with a partner what you think will happen if you add text align, color, or other text properties to the body rule set. All right. So right now we're on the HTML page, and that's why this looks, well, like HTML. This page is now linked to the style sheet because in the head tag, we put link real equals style sheet, and then whatever the name of our CSS file was. And our CSS was named style sheet. So let me look then for style sheet. Yep. And right here where it says body, anything in between the body tag on our HTML page is changed by the style sheet. So let's see here. What would text align do? I don't know. It would probably, I guess, text align. You should be able to move the text around to like the middle or the right or left, probably, I think. And color? I don't know, because so color can't control the background color because we already have background color. So maybe it changes colors of, I don't know, pictures or text, something like that. Not sure. Or other text properties to the body rule set. Text properties, Try out some of the different properties to check your guesses. Oh, what else do they have? Text align, text decorate. Oh yeah, we talked about that one before. Font family. Okay, let's mess with this. So let's first do text align. And I'm gonna say, I don't know, let's try center. Oh, I like that. Do you see what it just did? So anything that doesn't have a different assignment to it, make sure to put a semicolon, it moved it to the center. Paragraphs didn't move to the center because I bet paragraph, yep, text align left. Paragraphs are aligned to the left. But all the title stuff doesn't have its own alignment, so it aligned everything else to the center. That's really neat. Now let's see what else we can do here. We could do a text decoration. And we learned about text decoration in the last lesson, lesson 10, I believe. But I really like doing that. I'm going to do an underline. Oh, that's kind of cool. Let's see, though. We could do, you know what? I'm going to do an underline just on my H1 tag. So I'm going to get rid of that. But what else? We have text align. Oh, let's see what color does. We need to try out color. Red. Ooh, so the color is actually changing the words. Oh, that's cool. Because background color changes the background. Color actually changes the words. Now let me add that. I really like the text decoration. I got that idea because they listed over here. And then I'm going to do an underline for our main title. Cool. This is looking really great. Awesome. And font family. I already changed the font family. They changed it here. Let me switch that over to monospace. I remember that one. And if you forgot what the font families were, if I deleted all of this stuff and just go back, hopefully it will show me. Yep, there we are. And I can pick. I like monospace. I'm going to put the semicolon back. Anyways, there we are. We have our background color, our text alignment, our color. I added some fancy text decoration and messed with the font family. That looks great. Let's keep going.